Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding out your car needs a 200 repair, or your company suddenly lays you off, or you get hit with an unexpected medical bill. What would you do? According to recent surveys, millions of Americans would struggle to cover an unexpected expense without borrowing money or using credit cards. That's exactly why an emergency fund isn't just nice to have, and it's financial survival. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build an emergency fund starting from $0, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Let's get started. First, let's clear up a common misunderstanding. An emergency fund isn't money for vacations. It's not for shopping. It's not for Black Friday deals. It's money that's only used for real emergencies. Things like losing your job, medical emergencies, major car repairs, emergency home repairs, unexpected travel for family emergencies. Think of it as financial insurance. Instead of relying on credit cards or loans, you're relying on yourself. That's freedom. One of the biggest mistakes people make is saying, I'll start saving when I earn more. But here's the truth. If you can't save $20 today, it's very unlikely you'll save $200 later. Saving isn't just about income. It's about habit. Start now, even if it's only $5. Small habits become big. Results: don't try to save 6 months of expenses immediately. That's overwhelming. Instead, use milestones. Goal number 1, save your first $100. Then, $250. Then, $500. Then, $1,000. That first $1,000 can prevent many financial disasters from becoming financial crises. Celebrate every milestone. Progress creates motivation. Most people don't realize how much money quietly disappears every month. Take a look at unused subscriptions, food delivery fees, impulse purchases, daily coffee, convenience store snacks, streaming services you barely watch. Ask yourself one question. Would I rather have this today or financial peace tomorrow? Even cutting just $10 a day adds up to over $3,600 a year. That's a serious emergency fund. Here's a trick wealthy people use. They remove the decision. Set up an automatic transfer every payday. Maybe $20, $50, or even $10. You won't have to remember. You won't have to rely on motivation. Consistency beats motivation. Every time, don't keep emergency money in your everyday checking account. If you see it, you'll spend it. Instead, open a separate high-yield savings account. Make it slightly harder to access. Not impossible. Just inconvenient enough that you'll think twice before spending it. And whenever you receive unexpected money, a tax refund, a work bonus, birthday cash, cashback rewards, side hustle income, don't spend all of it. Try saving at least 50%, because unexpected income is the easiest money to save. This is important. Not every problem is an emergency. Ask yourself, is this unexpected? Is it necessary? Is it urgent? If the answer is yes, use the fund. If not, leave it alone. Financial experts often recommend saving 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. Don't panic if that sounds impossible. Nobody starts there. Everyone starts at 0, then $100, $500, $1,000, 1 month. 3 months. Step by step. Slowly becomes suddenly. Many people think they need the perfect budget before they can save. That's not true. You don't need perfect timing. You need a first step. Your emergency fund won't appear overnight. It grows one deposit at a time. The best day to start was yesterday. The second best day is today. Many people believe their credit card is their emergency fund, but it's not. A credit card gives you borrowed money. An emergency fund gives you your own money. One creates debt. The other creates security. The goal is to stop paying interest and start earning peace of mind. Instead of making huge sacrifices, try saving every raise. If you get a $100 monthly raise, save $50, spend the other $50. This way your lifestyle still improves, but your savings grow automatically. It's called lifestyle balance. Saving feels easier when it's fun. Challenge yourself. Week 1, save $10. Week 2, save $15. Week 3, save $20. Week 4, save $25. By the end of the month, you'll have more than you expected. Small wins build momentum. Think of your finances like a house. Your emergency fund is the foundation. Insurance is the roof. Investments are the walls. Without a strong foundation, everything else becomes risky. That's why saving comes before investing for most people. Someone else may already have 20,000 saved. You might only have 100. That's okay. You're not competing with them. You're competing with yesterday's version of yourself. Every dollar saved is proof that you're moving forward. Progress matters more than perfection. Don't wait until you save thousands of dollars to feel proud. Celebrate your first 50, your first $100, your first 500, your first $1,000. These milestones keep you motivated. Success grows when you recognize it. Motivation comes and goes. Habits stay. Make saving as automatic as brushing your teeth. Every payday. Save first. Spend second. Over time, you won't even think about it. It will simply become who you are. Don't feel guilty. That's exactly what it's for. If an emergency happens, use the money. Then start rebuilding it. An emergency fund isn't about never touching the money. It's about having it when life surprises you. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. A surprise bill arrives, but instead of panic, you smile because you're prepared. That's the power of an emergency fund. It doesn't just protect your wallet. It protects your confidence, your peace of mind, and your future. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Even if it's just 5, because one small decision today can completely change your financial future.